Hello students, today we will talk about the questionnaire method. So, questionnaire questionnaire is a prepared the set of questions. Through that prepared set of questions, we asking the questions to the respondents and collected facts from them. So this is called as questionnaire method. In this method, the questionnaire is to be sent or mailed to the concerned respondent. Respondents are expected to read and understand what questions are to be asked to him, and he have to reply for that questions. So reply on their own and return the questionnaires. It consists of a number of questions which is printed or typed in a defined order on a form or set of forms. It is eligible to conduct a pilot study. In simple language, questionnaire method is a request is made to the information through the covering letter to fill up a questionnaire and send it back within a specific period of time. The proper instructions for fulfilling or filling up a questionnaire are also given to the informants or respondent through his covering letter. So these are the all about the introduction and meaning of questionnaire method. So there are some essentials of good questionnaire. That questionnaire should be a short and simple. So if questionnaire is a short and simple, then respondents is given respond quickly and proper manner. If there is a complex questions and confusing questions in the questionnaire, then there is a possibility of non-responsive by the respondents. Questionnaire should be processed in a logical sequence. So there is a well pre-planned sequence of the questions from start to end. So that which should be based upon the logical logical sequence, so as to reader or the respondent can easily respond to your questions. Technical terms or expression must be avoided. In questionnaire form, technical terms must be avoided because it, it will be make complications for the respondents. The controlled question to check the reliability of the respondent must be present. Adequate space for answer must be provided. If there is open-end questions, so respondent have to respond according to uh, their information. So the adequate space should be provided in the questionnaire. The brief direction with the regards to fulfilling or the filling up a questionnaire must be provided, and physical appearance means the quality of paper, structure of the paper, we can say the margin of the paper, printing style of the paper, colors, all etc. must be good to attract attention of the respondents. If there is a complexity or complexions, or there is a improper arrangement of questions in the printed questionnaire, then respondent will be uh, fails, or respondent will be not respond to the questionnaire. Now, the types of question in questionnaire. There are two types of questions in questionnaire: open-ended question, which is called as unstructured questions, and close-ended questions, which is called as structured questions. So, open-ended questions means that questions are in qualitative, used in qualitative questions. Respondent allow the target audience to voice their feelings and notion openly. Here, respondent can be feeling uh, the response according to their information. Such questions record more data. So here is a possibility of collecting more data than the researcher required. as they don't have the predetermined set of responses, so there is a responsive have scope to give more information. Respondent express their opinion in a free following manner, so there is no restriction on respondent to express his opinion. There is a free following manner allows respondent to express his opinion. And on other hand, there is a closed-ended questionnaire which is called a structured questionnaire. So structured question have multiple options. As answer and ask to respondents to choose either one or more than one option as an answer given or options given to him. So these is closed-ended questionnaire are used to conduct questionnaire research. Such questions are definite, usually prepared well in advance. So in case of closed-ended question, there are options given by the researcher to the respondent, and respondent have to fill only that options, not other than that given options. He have to give response in only the given options. So that is called as open-ended questionnaires. Now the secondary data. That source of data collection is that is secondary data. A researcher can obtain secondary data from various sources. Secondary data may either be published data or unpublished data. So the information which collected by the secondary source, which is called as the secondary data. See the meaning of secondary data. Secondary data refers to that data is collected by the someone other than the primary user. Common source of second data for social science include census, which is census by the central government, information collected by government department, organizational record, and data that you was originally collected from the research purpose. So, second data may be available in published form or unpublished form. When investigator does not have collect data originally for the research inquiry but use data already collected and available in published or unpublished form, data is called secondary data. The use of secondary data in a research inquiry save times, finance or money and labor or efforts. However, some people having the doubt research inquiries save times having the doubts about the secondary data. If reliable and suitable secondary data is available, there is no harm in using secondary data for any research inquiry. Now, the question is that what are the various sources? As we know, the published and unpublished data, these are the main sources of secondary data. So published data are available in form of publication of governments, census reports, statistical reports, government bodies report, annual reports are there. So these are the publication of governments, technical and trade journals, report of various business, banks, public records, statistical and historical documents. These are the main sources of secondary data. Thank you very much.